Hello everyone, welcome to the new video NEET Practice MCQs from Biology. Question number 1. Which biomolecule acts as the primary source of energy in living cells? Proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, nucleic acids. The right answer is option C, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates like glucose are the immediate energy currency of cells. Question number 2. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi apparatus. The right answer is option B, mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP through cellular respiration. Question number 3. Which stage of mitosis involves separation of sister chromatids? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. The right answer is option C, anaphase. Sister chromatids move to opposite poles during anaphase. Question number 4. The main function of ribosomes is to synthesize lipids, store proteins, digest cell debris, synthesize proteins. The right answer is option D, synthesize proteins. Ribosomes translate mRNA into polypeptide chains. Question number 5. Which enzyme is responsible for DNA replication? DNA polymerase, DNA ligase, RNA polymerase, helicase. The right answer is option A, DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase adds nucleotides during DNA synthesis. Question number 6. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation? Cytokinin, abscisic acid, auxin, ethylene. The right answer is option C, auxin. Auxin stimulates cell elongation in growing plant tissues. Question number 7. The oxygen-carrying pigment in human blood is myoglobin, hemoglobin, chlorophyll, cytochrome. The right answer is option B, hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds oxygen in red blood cells. Question number 8. Which part of the nephron is impermeable to water? Proximal convoluted tubule, descending limb of loop of Henle, collecting duct, ascending limb of loop of Henle. The right answer is option D, ascending limb of loop of Henle. The ascending limb allows salt reabsorption but not water. Question number 9. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Scurvy, rickets, beriberi, pellagra. The right answer is option B, rickets. Vitamin D deficiency leads to poor calcium absorption and rickets. Question number 10. Which structure connects the fetus to the placenta? Umbilical cord, chorion, amnion, allantois. The right answer is option A, umbilical cord. Umbilical cord allows exchange of nutrients and gases. Question number 11. Which kingdom includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms? Monera, plantae, fungi, protista. The right answer is option D, protista. Protista contains unicellular eukaryotes like amoeba. Question number 12. Which phylum is characterized by radial symmetry? Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata. The right answer is option C, Echinodermata. Adult echinoderms show radial symmetry. Question number 13. Which component of blood helps in clotting? RBC, WBC, plasma, platelets. The right answer is option D, platelets. Platelets initiate blood coagulation. Question number 14. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? AB positive, O negative, O positive, AB negative. The right answer is option B, O negative. O negative blood lacks A, B and Rh antigens. Question number 15. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. The right answer is option C, oxygen. Oxygen is released during photolysis of water. Question number 16. Which part of the brain controls balance and posture? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, pons. The right answer is option B, cerebellum. Cerebellum coordinates muscle movements and balance. Question number 17. Which enzyme converts starch into maltose? Amylase, trypsin, pepsin, lipase. The right answer is option A, amylase. Amylase initiates carbohydrate digestion. Question number 18. The functional unit of kidney is neuron, glomerulus, alveolus, nephron. The right answer is option D, nephron. Nephron performs filtration and urine formation. Question number 19. Which ecosystem has the highest productivity? Desert, grassland, tropical rainforest, tundra. The right answer is option C, tropical rainforest. Warm climate and rainfall supports high biomass production. Question number 20. Which type of muscle is involuntary and non-striated? Smooth, cardiac, skeletal, voluntary. The right answer is option A, smooth. Smooth muscles control internal organs. Question number 21. Mendel's law of segregation states that traits blend, alleles separate during gamete formation, genes are linked, genes mutate randomly. The right answer is option B, alleles separate during gamete formation. Each gamete receives only one allele of a gene. Question number 22. Which base pairing occurs in DNA? Adenine cytosine, guanine thymine, adenine thymine, cytosine thymine. The right answer is option C, adenine thymine. Adenine pairs with thymine via hydrogen bonds. Question number 23. The genetic material in most organisms is RNA, protein, lipid, DNA. The right answer is option D, DNA. DNA stores hereditary information. Question number 24. Which vector is commonly used in genetic engineering? Virus, plasmid, ribosome, lysosome. The right answer is option B, plasmid. Plasmid transfers foreign genes into host cells. Question number 25. Insulin is secreted by alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, acinar cells. The right answer is option B, beta cells. Beta cells of pancreas regulate blood glucose. Question number 26. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? Dengue, typhoid, malaria, cholera. The right answer is option C, malaria. Plasmodium is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. Question number 27. Which immunity is developed after vaccination? Innate immunity, natural immunity, passive immunity, acquired active immunity. The right answer is option D, acquired active immunity. Vaccines stimulate antibody production. Question number 28. Which technique separates DNA fragments based on size? PCR, gel electrophoresis, ELISA, hybridization. The right answer is option B, gel electrophoresis. DNA migrates through gel according to fragment length. Question number 29. Which hormone induces ovulation? Follicle stimulating hormone, estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone. The right answer is option D, luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone surge triggers ovum release. Question number 30. Which contraceptive method prevents implantation? Copper T, condom, vasectomy, tubectomy. The right answer is option A, copper T. Copper T alters the uterine environment. Question number 31. Which gas is responsible for global warming? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. The right answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide traps heat in the atmosphere. Question number 32. The struggle for existence was proposed by Lamarck, Darwin, Mendel, Wallace. The right answer is option B, Darwin. Darwin explained natural selection. Question number 33. Which pyramid is always upright? Pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy, pyramid of organisms. The right answer is option C, pyramid of energy. Energy decreases at each trophic level. Question number 34. The process of formation of new species is called evolution, mutation, adaptation, speciation. The right answer is option D, speciation. Speciation leads to biodiversity. Question number 35. Which biome has permanently frozen subsoil? Desert, tundra, grassland, savanna. The right answer is option B, tundra. Tundra contains permafrost. Question number 36. Which organism is a primary producer? Grass, deer, lion, frog. The right answer is option A, grass. Produces synthesized food via photosynthesis. Question number 37. Which cycle involves atmospheric nitrogen fixation? Carbon cycle, water cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle. The right answer is option C, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen fixation converts nitrogen into usable forms. Question number 38. Which pollution leads to eutrophication? Air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution. The right answer is option C, water pollution. Nutrient-rich waters causes algal blooms. Question number 39. Which organism is an indicator of air pollution? Moss, lichen, algae, fungi. The right answer is option B, lichen. Lichens are sensitive to sulfur dioxide. Question number 40. Which conservation strategy protects species in their natural habitat? Zoos, seed banks, ex situ conservation, in situ conservation. The right answer is option D, in situ conservation. In situ conservation maintains natural ecosystems. Question number 41. Which RNA carries amino acids? tRNA, rRNA, mRNA, snRNA. The right answer is option A, tRNA. tRNA transfers amino acids during protein synthesis. Question number 42. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, vena cava. The right answer is option B, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein returns oxygenated blood. Question number 43. Which vitamin is synthesized in skin? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D. The right answer is option D, vitamin D. Sunlight converts precursors into vitamin D. Question number 44. Which cell organelle modifies and packages proteins? Endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, vacuole. The right answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus prepares proteins for secretions. Question number 45. Which microorganism is used in curd formation? Yeast, lactobacillus, rhizobium, E. coli. The right answer is option B, lactobacillus. Lactobacillus converts lactose into lactic acid. Question number 46. Which tissue conducts water in plants? Xylem, cambium, phloem, cortex. The right answer is option A, xylem. Xylem transports water and minerals. Question number 47. Which organ produces bile? Pancreas, gallbladder, liver, intestine. The right answer is option C, liver. Liver synthesizes bile for fat digestion. Question number 48. Which structure increases surface area for absorption in intestine? Rugae, villi, alveoli, nephrons. The right answer is option B, villi. Villi enhance nutrient absorption. Question number 49. Which type of reproduction produces genetically identical offspring? Asexual, vegetative, sexual, cross-fertilization. The right answer is option A, asexual. Asexual reproduction involves no genetic variation. Question number 50. Which enzyme breaks down hydrogen peroxide? Oxidase, dehydrogenase, peroxidase, catalase. The right answer is option D, catalase. Catalase prevents toxic accumulation of hydrogen peroxide. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn and practice more MCQs.